Well, good day everybody and welcome back to the channel. You're probably all wondering where the hell have I been for the last couple of weeks. Well, long story short, the weather in Hobart has been atrocious. We've had constant wind and rain every day for almost 3 weeks, bar 1 or 2 days possibly where I was at work. So I've been unable to get out and make some videos. However, today is the first reasonable day, even though I've worked this morning. So I'm out testing this microphone, which is a new powered microphone. I've had a problem with the microphone static, and I believe, thanks to fellow YouTubers, that it's due to the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth turned on both cameras, and apparently you can get some interference through that. So I've now switched everything off, the wireless connections and the Bluetooth. So hopefully that's fixed the problem, because I've tried a couple of different microphones, a couple of different microphone extension cords, thinking that could be the problem. So fingers crossed you can hear me nice and clearly. So I thought while I'm out trying this, I'll do a quick channel update, just to let you know that I hadn't fallen off the face of the earth, and tomorrow is supposed to be a good day, so I plan on doing a video tomorrow. I'm going to head up to Mount Wellington and bring that to you, so stay tuned for that one. So the main purpose of today is just to go out and test this microphone and hopefully sort out the audio so I can press on with bringing videos to you, because for some strange reason it just decided all of a sudden to create static through the audio, and I hadn't actually turned anything on, but I did find that one of my cameras had the wireless connection turned on, so I've since turned everything off. So fingers crossed that I've nailed the problem. So just heading back now. Going to throw this on the computer and have a look and see how it went. So hopefully tomorrow morning's looking for a good day. So I'll be up bright and early and we'll head up the mountain. And I'll see you then.